My presentation. My name is Angie Jimena. My profession is student and nanny. I am from Tunja and I live in Tunja. I am 24 years old. My favorite hobby is going to the gym. I live with my parents and two brothers. I am studying a degree in pedagogic childish, and my favorite television show is The Boy of the Eights. Description of my family. My mother is Ana Carmenza. She is 47 years old. She is a merchant. She lives in Tunja. She has black and long hair. Her eyes are brown. She is tall and fat. She is very beautiful. My father is Nairo. He is 48 years old. He lives in Tunja. He works in social teacher. He has black hair and shorts. His eyes are black. He is small and fat. My brother is Carlos. He is 21 years old. He lives in Tunja. He studies electronic engineering. He has short black eyes. He is tall and thin. He is extroverted. My brother is Julian. He is 22 years old. He lives in Tunja. He studies in physical education. He is cheerful. He has short hair, is as brown eyes. He is tall and thin. Thank you.